and welcome to my channel. Today I have some awesome and exciting new products to show you. These are the new Clean and Clear lemon scented gel cleanser scrub, and can't forget the toner, the most important part of your whole regimen right here. I've actually used these for a week or so, and I'm here to tell you they're actually really awesome. This one can be compared to the Night Relaxing Clean and Clear, the blue bottle, the deep cleansing face wash. Same sort of gel-like consistency. I prefer to have as much of the line as possible, so that way you don't mess up your skin. You have a regimen that you can stick to. But if you want to opt for this one, if this one is your favorite, go ahead, why not? This one is awesome. It's a gel cleanser and it smells very good. That's what it looks like right there, just a basic gel, and it smells very lemony fresh, scented, very nice. And when you're in a hot shower, it kind of reminds you of a aromatherapeutic massage oil or some sort of treatment. So when you're in the shower, when it's really warm, just inhale while you're cleansing your face, and it's actually very energizing and relaxing. It's awesome. But that's what it looks like right here. I have my handy dandy wrap on, and I actually cleaned it for once. I know, it's a miracle, hallelujah. I'm going to put some of this on like so, and just rub it on my face. Get deep into the pores, and this thing has been bothering me for quite a while, and it actually took care of that, sort of. It still hurts a little bit, but it's very reduced in size compared to what it once was. So the lemon actually helps. I put a little water on my hand from a bottle of water, so you can see that it doesn't really foam up a lot, just goes straight to the point here. So it's very nice. You can leave it on for a few minutes or so and then just cleanse it off. And it doesn't have that pine sol sort of fake cleanser sort of lemon smell. It's very nice and kind of natural smelling. It actually does smell like lemons, which is nice, and it doesn't act like garbage or smells like garbage. This one, it's the same sort of texture. This one smells more of a treatment, I guess, so you can't go wrong with either one. I'm going to rinse this off my face. I'm back. It went super well. Cleansing this stuff off is hassle-free, and it really does the job. My face is tingling a little bit from the combo of the heat and cold in the bathroom coinciding together, but otherwise I feel super clean and refreshed. Porcelain skin. It has really cleared up my skin, I believe. We're moving on to the Zesty scrub, and it sure is zesty, but I have to admit it's not the best scrub in the world. It has these little plastic beads, which are kind of bad for the environment and not very cleansing for your face. It works well with taking off makeup, but not so much for a deep cleanse. It's not going to really get out any dirts and oil. It's just not really going to do that for you, but it does smell great, and it's just a light exfoliation, if anything. It's kind of like this, but with beads. If you want to opt out of using this one, I totally understand. You can use a great scrub from St. Ives, the blackhead clearing scrub. That one is amazing, and it'll do wonders. Even the coffee one will do great as well with probably these. But today I'm going to use this one and show you what it's like. Just like that. It kind of looks like a cleanser in itself, not a big deal. Very, very light micro bead exfoliators. I wish it was maybe lemon peel or sugar or something. Not doing any wonders. I'm going to put it on my neck. You always want to do your neck. Don't ever forget about your neck. Rub it on like so. Getting in there. You want to scrub your face for at least 1 minute or so, or until you feel that's like really ready to be cleansed off. Ooh! Poured some water from a water bottle once again. Show you the lather of it all. It cleanses well, but for exfoliation I don't really feel anything happening. There's plenty of other exfoliators out there that can do a better job than this one. I'm going to rinse this off and I'm going to come back for the toner and moisturizer. I'm back after like 10,000 years trying to scrub this stuff off of my face. This one, it getting choked out on my shirt. Oh no, it's trying to kill me, assassinate me. Anyway, this one, hard to get off. You're going to have to put some like muscle into it for sure. Plus one biceps right here. So you have to muscle up for this one. Assassination. I hate collars. Who hates collars? Like these kind of collars. I'd rather have like a V-neck or something. I'd rather have a douchey V-neck than something that's trying to choke me out all the time. Just saying. That's a thing. I'm going to use the lemon juice toner, and it smells very good. I recommend using like a cotton like pad, or like some of those like little cotton squares that you get at like the spa, and just use it, or like a spray bottle, like one of those disposable like little travel spray bottles. You can put some of this in here and use the rest for later, store it away, whatever. That's what I do. But right now my other one has the old toner in it, so I'm just going to put some in my hand like so, in the palm, and rub it around, shake a little, and just massage it into my skin. And it smells very good, lemony fresh, as always. Great stuff. But yeah, I don't like using it like that because I feel like it's wasteful, obviously. This collection doesn't have any moisturizer that I've seen, so I'm going to use the Clean and Clear Acne Advantage moisturizer. This one is really great and it works well with the collection regimen, so putting on some like so. And this one is cool because you can just turn the lid and it's closed, like open close, so the product will stay preserved for you, which is nice. No air will get trapped inside or whatnot. I'm trying to like ruin it. Massage it in your hands and rub it on. Moving upward. You want to try to do upward motions when you're massaging it into your skin, because gravity takes everything down, so you want to lift everything up. So like a spa, try to do the same for your face. Work it in and massage as best as you can, and don't make any weird faces. Your face might get stuck like that. Then you're gonna look like the guy from Just Go with the Botox face. You don't want that. You don't want to eat and drink everything from a straw for like ever. So yeah, massage it in. You can even do some patting motions and really penetrate into your skin like that. That's really helpful for everything to get soaked in and activated. There you have it, the lemon collection from Clean and Clear. My overall evaluation of it is that it's amazing. Great products. You can incorporate some of their other products and make your own little customized skincare routine, which is nice. You don't have to like have one set thing, but I like to do that. It's just better for your skin overall if you follow the regimen. Just like with everything, the regimen is key. You can't just have some bits and pieces. But that's just my opinion. You can do it however you would like, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that, right? Overall, great products, great value too. Everything was like maybe $5 to $6. Purchased mine all from Target, so I will link the Target links for those products down below. So go check them out for yourself, and thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you've tried these and how it worked for you. Did you like it? Dislike it? I want to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, and don't forget to press that bell. And you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday, so be on the lookout for those uploads. As always, I'll talk to all of you awesome people next time. Bye, everyone.